wanted to give you some tips for beginner gardeners, somebody looking to get into growing your own food, maybe growing organically. And it can be overwhelming in the beginning, and you're not sure where to start, where in the yard, in a pot, should you put it in an enclosure? You're not sure where to start, pesticides. So I'll just give you some tips on how I started. One of these, I got just a few pieces of wood and got some garden soil, put some seeds in it, put it on the porch, and that's one of the easiest ways to get started, by starting with some herbs. This is parsley, and I'm constantly putting new herbs. You can look, pan the camera down, and you can see some of the fresh herbs on the porch. We got some thyme right here. We got some rosemary right here started. We got some sage right there, and then we have some mint right there. So if you're looking to do something in a different area, maybe you want to move and expand further than what's on your porch, grow bags are a good option. If you're not ready to grow in the ground, you can easily get some grow bags for an inexpensive price online, and you might start growing in like solo cups and transplant into a grow bag. So maybe you get some garden soil if you're going to have these outside, and just transplant. And right here I have a tomato plant that I just put in, and it's simple as that. Water it in, you're good to go. Now if you're looking to do big beds like this, follow my content, and I'm going to do a video to show you how simple this can be too.